Every other local government area will display that in no time. We should see from the food, from our dressing, we should see me dress, from the way we conduct our marriages, traditional marriages. We will showcase that here for the Akwa Ibom people to see, and not just Akwa Ibom, the whole world to see. Thank you very much. And I want to use this opportunity very special to appreciate His Excellency, the Governor of Akwa Ibom State, for this very initiative, which is first of its kind. And when the governor said that he is a tourism-friendly governor, I want to believe that everyone can see what is happening here at the Akwa Ibom State Christmas Eve. Like I said, I didn't come alone. If you see behind me, you have the women, the elders, the youth, the traditional chiefs. We have the paramount ruler of Eket local government area here with us. We have the state house member, the immediate state house member. We have the commissioner, the honorable commissioner, Minister of Local Government and Chieftaincy. He is here with us. We have members of the Itrafi, a socio-cultural organization in the Eket local government area. They are here seated with us as well. So we have everybody from Eket local government area to showcase the rich cultural heritage of the Eket people. Thank you.
I think we say any different with others local government. Because when you born, then friend of the I get the yamo. I think local government is on the we demand the better make it for a lady don't see our.
Immediately, what I want the accident, I get some equal. Ekid in Quay on my equal. Ekid in two. Ekid in Quay on my day, Sango. Ekid in Quay on my day, and I bank. Ekid in Quay on my day, but I can I see it will over on. It don't go. 18 years and a year and a group was a preference for the national member as an so special food taken in our idea. I can't make it, but I don't get it for it. Ekid who do it for him. They didn't go. Take it right. I need a dama. I may be 80. Need I get you water, make it a preference for it. They don't make us in the mama. They good. The very the best Baba make it. You can't say the best Babango.
Can you deflect? Can you deflect?
That's why we are all happy to celebrate our great day. So that's why all of us are here to celebrate this day. Ekid is a very peaceful town, a very peaceful place. You can stay with your family. There is a land for cultivation. We have beautiful young ladies. Just come to Ekid. Ekid will give you the peace of mind. Will give you whatever you want to do. Come to Ekid and cultivate.